Look who's here. If it's not Choo Choo. And oh, and then behind there is Sky. They are both two very good friends. I think most likely they have seen a frog or something. Choo Choo and Sky. Did Sky get what you were looking for? I don't think so. Oh no. Oh no, they have caught a bird. Oh dear, little hummingbird. Okay, no, Choo Choo. I'm going to save this hummingbird. Hey, Sky, no. Bad boys. Okay, I'm going to save this one. These two hunters are getting very, very bad. So here's the poor bird. He's been hurt by these two bad cats. And he's resting. We are going to keep him closed inside the room. And hopefully he can fly away. He's looking at us, but there's like a little bit of blood, so I think maybe we'll have to keep him for a day or two, right? I don't know what he eats. He can fly, I think. Maybe. Oh, I see. That's what the kitties did. It's very sad, but I think we can probably heal him up to fly away. Okay? Yeah, we keep him in the box, give him some medicine, and maybe he can make a full recovery. He's looking at us. How are you?
No. Leave it.
Okay.
Start moving.
Drink.